Globally, millions of non-profits tackle issues like poverty, education, and healthcare, with over 1.5 million registered in the US alone. Volunteerism is considered to be lifeblood, with billions of hours contributed fostering community engagement and shared responsibility. Hello and welcome everyone. I am Neha, your own industry expert. Let's talk about non-profit organizations, immensely dedicated to addressing societal challenges beyond profits, aiming to create long-lasting positive changes. Do you know what goes on the other side? 55% of non-profits say that their organization needs to invest in technology in order to increase fundraising. Sometimes they even struggle to source the funds for campaigns because there are no right channels or platforms to accept these funds, which also result in impacting the relationship between donors and volunteers. Also, 60% of non-profits say that donors expect a better experience than their current technology is providing. It is very important to know that due to constant change in technologies, the donors' expectations keeps on getting higher, which generally result in huge investments in funds, and hosting the events become expensive. What could be the solution for this? Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud is dedicatedly designed to empower nonprofits, offering all-in-one solution to meet their unique requirements. With a 360-degree perspective, it facilitates seamless management of constituents, donors, and volunteers, fostering better relationship between them and impact understanding. Nonprofit Cloud simplifies fundraising efforts through tools that enhance donor engagement, helps to streamline donation tracking, and efficiently manage campaigns. Nonprofit Cloud also gives one unified platform which helps in providing insights at a glance. It is very scalable and user-friendly as well. Do you also want to scale up your non-profit organization and make it more innovative? Connect with us today as we have expert in almost every product owned by Salesforce, and stay tuned for more such videos.